Today we're discussing the 7 best healthy nuts for your health. Have you heard the buzz about nuts? They're more than just a snack, my friend. Behind their tough exterior lies a powerhouse of health benefits. They're loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. All the nutrients you need to fight hunger and heart disease, live longer, and even boost your brain power. But that's just the beginning. Some nuts also pack a punch with omega-3s, antioxidants, and other vitamins and minerals that fight inflammation. The best way to reap the benefits of nuts is by including a variety in your diet. You might be surprised to know that portion sizes can vary, but a handful a day should do the trick. And the best part? Nuts come in all sorts of textures, flavors, and nutrient profiles, so you can never get bored. Without further delay, let's dive into the 7 most nutritious nuts to add to your diet. Number 1, Brazil nuts. First up, we're talking about the powerhouse that is the Brazil nut. Did you know that these nuts pack a punch when it comes to nutrients? Let me give you the breakdown. With just 1 ounce of Brazil nuts, you're getting 187 calories, 19 grams of healthy fats, 4 grams of protein, and just 3 grams of carbs. Not to mention they're also loaded with fiber and some important vitamins and minerals. One thing that sets Brazil nuts apart is their high levels of magnesium. Magnesium is crucial for regulating blood sugar, nerve function, blood pressure, and energy production. But wait, there's more. Brazil nuts are one of the richest dietary sources of selenium. This mineral is necessary for thyroid hormone production and DNA synthesis, and it acts as a powerful antioxidant that helps protect against oxidative damage. Now, the selenium concentration in Brazil nuts can vary, but one thing's for sure, these nuts are a great addition to your diet if you're looking to up your nutrient game. So go ahead, grab a handful of these little powerhouses and enjoy the benefits. Number 2, pistachio. Are you looking for a tasty and nutritious snack that won't pack on the pounds? Well, look no further than pistachios. These little green gems are packed with nutrients, but they're also lower in calories and fat compared to many other nuts. In just 1 ounce of pistachios, you're getting 159 calories, 13 grams of healthy fats, 6 grams of protein, 8 grams of carbs, and a hearty dose of fiber. These nuts are also a good source of vitamin B6, which your body needs for a strong immune system. But wait, there's more. Pistachios are also rich in plant compounds like carotenoids, anthocyanins, flavonoids, and proanthocyanidins, all of which have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Pistachios are not only delicious, but they're also a nutritious choice for a snack. So go ahead and munch away. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Number 3, walnuts. Are you ready to add some serious nutrition to your snack game? Well, let me introduce you to the superfood of the nut world, walnuts. These nuts have been linked to multiple health benefits and have a nutrient profile that will blow your mind. In just 1 ounce of walnuts, you're getting 185 calories, a whopping 18.5 grams of healthy fats, 4 grams of protein, 4 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fiber. But that's not all. Walnuts are also an excellent source of copper, a mineral that your body needs to produce enzymes that are involved in energy production, neurotransmitter synthesis, and much more. Copper also helps with immune function, blood vessel development, and more. Studies have shown that walnuts can benefit heart health and may reduce several heart disease risk factors, including elevated blood pressure, bad cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. So if you're looking for a snack that's not only delicious but also good for your heart, look no further than walnuts. Number 4, macadamia nuts. We've got one for you that you might not have tried yet. Meet the macadamia nut, the buttery delight that packs a punch of nutrients with every bite. With its rich and creamy flavor, it's not just a tasty snack, but also a superfood. In just 1 ounce, you get over 20 grams of healthy monounsaturated fats, a whopping 51% of the daily value of manganese, and 28% of thiamine. Plus, it's lower in carbs than most nuts, making it a great option for those on a low-carb diet. But wait, there's more. Studies have shown that incorporating macadamia nuts into your diet can help keep your heart healthy by reducing your bad cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood sugar levels. So if you're looking for a nut that's delicious and nutritious, the macadamia nut might just be the perfect choice for you. Number 5, pecans. Pecans are a true delight for the taste buds. These mild, versatile nuts are often used in many sweet and savory dishes like cakes, pies, salads, and grain dishes. Not only are they delicious, but they're also incredibly nutritious. Just 1 ounce, 28 grams of roasted pecans gives you a wholesome dose of healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They contain a good amount of zinc, an essential mineral that your body needs for a healthy immune system and the growth and development of cells. Some studies have shown that eating pecans may be beneficial for heart health. So next time you're in the mood for a sweet snack, reach for pecans instead of those unhealthy treats. You'll not only satisfy your sweet tooth, but you'll also give your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Number 6. Almonds. Almonds are the king of nuts. They're incredibly popular and versatile, making them a staple in most households. Whether you enjoy them raw, roasted, or in the form of almond butter, almond flour, or almond milk, these nuts are a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal. And the best part is they're not just tasty, they're also incredibly good for you. Here's what you get in just 1 ounce, 28 grams, of roasted almonds. Almonds are a true superfood, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. For example, they have a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from oxidative damage. This nutrient also supports your immune system and helps your cells communicate with each other. Not only are almonds a great source of healthy fats, protein, fiber, and several vitamins and minerals, they may also help lower heart disease risk factors, such as high cholesterol and excessive belly fat. So go ahead, add almonds to your diet and experience their many benefits. Number 7. Cashews. Let's dive into the delicious world of cashews. These creamy, crunchy nuts are the perfect addition to any dish, whether you prefer them raw, roasted, or whipped into a smooth nut butter. Just 1 ounce of raw cashews packs a powerful punch with 155 calories, 12 grams of fat, 5 grams of protein, 9 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fiber. But that's not all. Cashews are also an excellent source of essential nutrients like vitamin K, magnesium, and manganese, which are crucial for maintaining strong bones. And if you're looking to improve your overall health, studies have shown that incorporating more cashews into your diet may help with symptoms of metabolic syndrome, including elevated blood pressure, high blood fat levels, and increased belly fat. So go ahead, enjoy a handful of cashews and give your body the nourishment it deserves. That's a rundown of the 7 healthiest nuts and their impressive nutritional profiles. Whether you're snacking on almonds, walnuts, pecans, cashews, or macadamia nuts, you can feel good knowing that you're fueling your body with some of the best nutrients nature has to offer. Go ahead, grab a handful, and enjoy the crunch and flavor while also boosting your health. And as always, remember to enjoy nuts in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Keep snacking healthy and see you on the next video.